Hey planner babes, it's Mandy from Create with Mandy, and today I have a really fun video for you. So I am going to do a DIY sticker storage box. So I've had this box that I've been storing my stickers in. It's literally an old shoe box, so it's a little flimsy, but I did reinforce it with some tape. And then last night I just did a quick coat of white, just craft paint over it because it was like a yellow color. And so my idea was to put this tissue paper over it and kind of cover it with this paper. And if it was still yellow, you would have seen that through since this is white. So this is a super easy craft. Anyone can do this. So if you have this beautiful tissue paper from the Newbie Happy Box or any tissue papers from the previous boxes, this is an awesome way to use it. This box that I was using was just plain before, and I don't know why I haven't thought to do something fun with it yet, but I'm super excited to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna need one of these sheets, so put this other one to the side and let's get started. So this one does have this sticker on it, but probably be able to get away with that. So I'm thinking it's going to be wrapped like this. Ooh, and that's the perfect dimensions. Okay, so I think it's gonna go like that, and then I will cut the corners to try to make that work. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I have my Mod Podge here. This is basically like glue, but all of these other things like a water-based sealer, glue and finish. So it'll dry clear. You just kind of paint it on lightly. It'll stick to the box here. And then I think afterwards I'm going to go ahead and do a coat over top of the tissue paper, so that way it kind of seals it and makes it so it doesn't tear pretty easily. If I don't seal it, it might tear as I use it, just because tissue paper is so thin. So I guess I'll do the bottom too, just because that's easier than cutting it out, and I don't really mind because I feel like I'm just going to use this whole piece of tissue paper anyways. And then also a thing to note is I've used some recycled craft paper that I got in a package to cover my desk to protect it because the glue, you know, it could get on there. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So one more trick I have is to use this, just any sort of gift card to kind of, you know, flatten it out and get those wrinkles out. But you do have to be really careful because the tissue paper is so fragile and I don't want to rip any holes. And another thing is that the glue, you know, it does kind of saturate the paper, which is good because you want it to stick, but again, it makes it more fragile. Okay, so that took about like 12, 13 minutes. Not too bad. There's a little bit of wrinkles in it, which is too bad, but I don't really mind. It's not like I'm going to be looking at it up close all the time, but I really like how it turned out. It's going to look so good. And then this sticker did happen to lay here. The other half of it found its way inside the box, which is okay because that's not going to be seen. So I think that this is going to be the front that I have sticking out of my little storage shelf. So I'll see this front, and then I could always add something on top if I wanted. But yeah, it's super cute. I love it. So now I'm just going to do a coat on top to just kind of seal it, and that way it doesn't get ruined or anything. And you can see I need to, go over that edge a little bit more. So this is by no means like precise or a super professional or anything, but it's an awesome way for anyone to be able to do this because it's pretty easy and doesn't take too much time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the coat on top. Okay guys, so I think I got all the sides. I didn't do the bottom. I guess I should go back and do that. But I'm gonna let the sides dry before then, but this is how it turned out. I really love it. It's super easy to do, nothing complicated at all. And now you have this really pretty sticker storage case. So thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and link some of the supplies below if you just want easy access to looking at them. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye guys.